How to delete search history on Safari. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to delete search history, launch the settings application on your device. Scroll down and find the Safari option there. Scroll down again and you will see the option for clear history and website data. Tap on that. Now here under clear time frame, select the time frame from when you want to delete the history. You can select from last hour, today and yesterday, and all history. I will just delete the history from last hour. Now, if you want to close all the apps running in Safari, then toggle on the button for close all tabs and now tap on clear history button you see there. If your clear history and website data is grayed out, then you can tell that your history has been deleted. Also go back to settings and tap on screen time and now tap on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure the toggle button for content and privacy restrictions is toggled on. Now, tap on content restrictions and then tap on web content. Here, make sure unrestricted option is selected, and this is how you can delete search history on Safari. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.